From KGK Japan, we went to KGK China, and then in 2013, we decided to come to India. Obviously, like we are a big fan of Netaji, we are also a very big fan of Gandhiji. And Gandhiji, when he came from South Africa to India, first thing he did was he traveled across the length and breadth of India in train. And we are celebrating that day each year, even today, as the Pravasiya Bharatiya Divas. And that was a big inspiration for us to do the market survey. When we came to India, we traveled across India by train, by bus, by bike. I have traveled at least 1,000 kilometers by bike in the back of KR Srinivasan. And that is how we started off in 2013 with a very small office in the city. And then from there, we moved from the city office to the factory. We identified the land, and then from there we did the construction, and we moved in 2017, and we started production. We started production in 2018, and we are having all these produced in India today. செய்யும் தொழிலே தெய்வம்ங்கிறது உண்மையாலுமே இதுதான். இதுதான் நமக்கு வந்து இந்த ஈவெண்ட் இன்னைக்கு நடக்குதுன்னா இதுதான் காரணம். And before we move on, KGK India பத்தி ஒரு சின்ன இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன் ஒன்று இருக்கு. But first year முடிக்கிறோம். Our sales revenue, sales of machine or consumable or part or service or whatever, sales revenue was 0. 2014. 2023 முடிச்சிருக்கோம். We have done 58 crores. So far we have sold 5,000 plus machines. Last year, in a single year, we have sold more than 1,000 machines. And the arithmetic progression is only possible if you have a great team with you. And it is a big tribute to the entire team. Thank you very much, guys. I am so proud.